Hey guys, are you ready to elevate your JavaScript and Node.js development experience with a touch of AI? We are excited to unveil a game-changing tool, an NPM package that will basically transform how you manage and interact with your data. Introducing a powerful new NPM package designed specifically for developers like you. So this innovative package basically streamlines the integration of high performance database capabilities into your Node.js applications so that you can build real-time applications with unprecedented ease. Imagine having a complete control over your data at your fingertips. So this NPM package makes it possible. So let's get started. Hey guys, so this is the NPM package I was talking about, single store client. It's a package designed for interacting with the single store API in Node.js environments. So if you're new to single store and don't know what is single store, go to singlestore.com and you can actually see it's the only database you will ever need. You can use it as a database, vector database, and actually do much more, right? You can scale from 1 to 1 million customers, handling SQL, JSON, full text, and vector workloads all in one unified platform. So Single Store has a free shade tier. You can use it for free. By the way, Single Store started supporting vector storage long back in 2017 itself. So yeah, it supports hybrid search and it has a good integration with all these AI frameworks like Llama Index, LangChain. So yeah, go to singlestore.com, sign up, and just experience the power of this particular database. So let's get back to the client. So how to use it? npm install single store client. So I'm going to show you in a step-by-step way how to use it in this particular, as stated in this particular GitHub repo. So uh, if you don't want to go through this particular all the procedures, you can just go to this single store client notes GitHub repo. I'm going to share the link in the description so that you can just go to this particular GitHub repo and then um, just see the getting started, how to get started in just 5 easy steps. Okay, so if you go to this particular GitHub repo, it'll tell you it's a simple CRUD application, a simple base application demonstrating how to use this particular npm package that is discussed in a Next.js project. It shows how to perform CRUD operations and create chat completions using single store AI. So what is single store AI? It's again a module that enhances the single store client package with AI functionalities, allowing you to integrate AI features like embeddings and chat completions. Okay. I'm also going to share the link of this particular module in the description. You can go and learn more about it. But let's go back to our repo and then so first thing is to clone the repo. I just cloned the repo in my local and then .env.example. You need to mention your DB host, DB user, DB password, and OpenAI API key. I have created the new .env.local file and I have mentioned everything. So if you don't know how to get the DB host and DB user, DB password, you can go to singlestore.com, sign up, and once you sign back in, this is where you will land and go to deployments, right? So you will have the workspace and the database. If you want to create a new database, it's very easy. Just create a new database and creating a workspace is also easy. So how to get the DB password, host connection URL, and the um, what was the one more thing? DB user, right? So go to connect, go to the your app, and you can select here Node.js. So this is your username and host URL, and then how to get the DB the password is access, and then here is the password. So you can reset, you can copy it, then paste it in your DB password. Okay, so I have done that. This is my DB password. This is my DB user. It's default. By default, it is admin for everyone. And DB host, I just showed you how to get this. And mention your opening API key, save it, and then the next thing is to go back to the repo, right? Next thing is to install the dependencies by running npm install, and then build the app by running npm run build, and then run the application by npm run start, and you can open your local browser localhost 3000, and you can see your application running. So I have done that. I have done everything, and wait, let me run it. So yeah, I mean, now the application can be visible on localhost 3000. Let me go to localhost 3000. There you go. I mean, this is a simple CRUD application. Uh, let's add a new note. Okay. So you can add a title and the related content. So let's go to one of my um, articles, and then let me add the title as enhance your RAG applications with knowledge graphs, and then some related content. Okay, let me add what is RAG, and some more so that we can ask some queries and then answer. We add this much, right? So let me save this and also save this. Now we can actually ask the assistant. Right? Click on Ask the Assistant. As you can see, ask the assistant a question about the selected node. So let me ask, what are the three critical components of RAG? As you can see, the three critical components of RAG are retrieval, augmentation, and generation. As you can see here, right? The three critical components are retrieval, augmentation, and generation. So this is basically as if we are creating a simple RAG application here. We are it's a chatbot which is answering us back to a particular user query, right? You can add more nodes, and you can basically ask a question related to your own custom content. So that's how it's really amazing. This everything is built in a Node.js application in Node.js, and then yeah, I mean, I want you to go to this particular GitHub repo. I'm going to share the link in the description, and try building a simple CRUD application, and maybe you can do much more with this. Thanks. Hey guys, so once you run your application and chat with your custom data, you can go back to single store dashboard, go to deployments, and let's see the database that's been created. So here you go, single store client nodes. This is the default database that's been created. And then you can, once you click the database, this is the table that's been created, notes, and you can see the different columns here. And if you click the sample data, this is the data we have added in our application, and we just chatted with one of the article. It's this one. So you can see the ID, title, content, created at, updated at, and the content we. So yeah, this is how the data has been stored in your database, that is single store. So that's it. I just wanted to show you this.